Let's look at this beautiful old castle. It is a classic Motte and Bailey castle, early medieval, with hundreds of parts listed by page number in the right column. There are 10 consecutive days, often with 2 sessions. In this case, the curved wall presented a problem. It was difficult to hold in place until the glue set, so I clamped it overnight. These curtain walls have been separated from their sheets and the sprues smoothed with an X-Acto knife. Some of the curtain walls and the drawbridge have been set in place. Here's tomorrow's activity. Glued pieces are adjustable for about an hour. Starting now on the wall walks and ladders. Working now on the tower keep, used for refuge and observation. With these structural walls, it's best to put in the windows and doors and so forth before assembly. These flat-walled stone towers became obsolete in the early 14th century with the introduction of cannons. These arrowed parts of the base needed grinding to fit the assembled structures. Now for the assembly of the dwellings around the bailey. Don't forget the shutters. Fitting these structures into this area was difficult and required trimming, this small tower required some patience when fitting the roof. And now putting together the outbuildings for the tower keep. These too required quite a bit of adjustment to fit. Fitting on the roofs is like frosting on the cake. Lots of fun. It does take some... Alexa, stay out of this.
Do you want to hear music by Fun?
Oops. Dropped the X-Acto. Missed my foot. Another area of wall walks and difficult fittings, which required even a little bandsaw work. These roofs were the toughest to fit and required some extended holding to stay in place. Old modelers never die, they just fade away.